a great choice today with the 2017 Honda Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, outside temperature gauge, brake assist, tachometer, day and night rear view mirror, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, cloth seat trim. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.